Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a color correction on Best Friend. We did her red highlights back in October for fall winter, and now that it's summer we want to brighten her up. This is considered a color correction because we're going to do that extra step of trying to remove as much red color out of her hair before even going in with the highlights. I'm using Malibu CPR, which removes up to 3 levels of unwanted color, be it permanent or semi-permanent, all without lifting the color of her natural hair. These are the results of after only 15 minutes. I didn't get all the red out of her hair. We could have left it up to about 45 minutes, but we were impatient. It was hot. The dryer was like on blast, and we just wanted to get the ball rolling on the highlights, honestly. So I've mixed up my bleach. I put in Olaplex just to have that insurance that her hair doesn't overprocess and her curls will keep curling after we dry it. I always go in starting in the back of the hair with a lower developer because I know it's going to be sitting in foils a lot longer. So I always want to go low and slow in the back, and then as I reach up to the top, I'm going to raise my developer to about like 25, nothing crazy. I don't go 30 or 40. You can, but I don't recommend it, especially for curly hair. So once I have all the foils in her hair, all those leave outs, those red bits you see hanging out, I go back in and I just add some bleach to that as well, just so we can just get as much red as we can out, because we don't want to see any of it. We're over the red. We want to go bright. You can see I took out some of those foils in the back. Another good reason to start in the back is that once that hair is processed, if you need to take her to the bowl and just like take out all the back, I can easily than if I were to start in the front. Quick shout out to my pup Tito for being the cutie that he is. Okay, so after about 45 minutes, here we are. We can see that her roots lifted really well, obviously because it was on virgin hair, but on those ends where the red was living, you can see it's a bit darker, like more like orangey kind of color than the top. For her gloss, we wanted to do a blonde, but just the way her hair lifted, we weren't going to get as bright as she wanted. So we've been talking about Bronde for a while, so I thought this was the best opportunity for it. If you're new to it, Bronde is like the new trendy color where it's like brunette meets blonde. It's like it's a dark blonde, but a light brunette. So it's right in the middle. And I thought it would be best for her because her hair is already naturally dark, level 5, that if we did the Bronde, then it would just be more blendable and less of a contrast to her natural hair than if we did blonde. Alright, so for her blowout, I'm going in with my Emergency Miracle treatment. This is the leave-in conditioner from my Timelessly Curly hair care line. This is going to really just impart moisture, make sure that her hair is strong after the color and dyeing process. And then I'm following up with Le Doux, which is my blow dry primer from my line. And that really puts in moisture into the hair so you don't get that crunchy, dry blowout. And it helps smooth out her hair for no frizz and just more manageable and softness and bounciness to her blowout. And you'll see that with both these products, her hair really just has a good lift and no stiffness, no stickiness, just lasting shape. Just a quick tip when it comes to blow drying your hair, you always want to start at the root and work your way down. People find round brush blow drying to be really difficult, but if you know how to do it, it's really just so much easier. And I would say always start at the root, get it from all angles, whatever your section is, and then smooth out those ends. That is just probably like the best tip I have when it comes to round brushing. Okay, so here are the results after the blowout. You can see I didn't comb it out or anything, but just so we can see the color, it's like the perfect, like almost blonde, but light brunette, and it just blends in with her natural color really well, which is all I really ask for when it comes to color, that it's not too contrasty, but it blends in well. Unless the client wants that, of course, but we just want it to look as natural and like lived in as possible, believable, honestly. As always, thank you guys for watching. Can't wait to catch you on the next. Let me know if you like the Bronde. Have you ever thought about it? Do you want to do it? Leave the comments. All right. Love you guys. Bye.